Alright guys, so we're gonna go today. So today we're gonna make an eggplant food واحنا هنعمل يعني بالبذنجان حاجة بالبذنجان. هنا we're gonna mix it really good. And we have the parsley for the it's parsley for topping to get served with. Like this food is a healthy food. You can put it in the fridge. And if you're hungry, you can eat it. And we put garlic in here. The garlic we used for the Egyptian food. And we have 2 ounces, cause like a big spoon, and that was vinegar. Smells like vinegar. And we have the cut eggplants. And yeah. I don't know how it is. And the parsley, just like I said. Then we put in oil. And we're gonna put it in here. And it's finished. That was a small video, but it's finished.